Hello, I am Dr. Sikirkanti. In this video, we find Fourier series of the functions which are defined on arbitrary interval. Okay, first example, find Fourier series of f of x is equal to 1 plus 4x by 3. This is when minus 3 by 2 less than or equal to x less than or equal to 0, and it is equal to 1 minus 4x by 3. Here 0 less than or equal to x less than or equal to 3 by 2. And hence deduce pi square by 8 equal to 1 by 1 square plus 1 by 3 square plus 1 by 5 square plus and so on. Okay, this is the deduction. So here we have the function is defined in minus 3 by 2 to plus 3 by 2. So that is minus L to plus L. So this implies L is equal to 3 by 2. L equal to 3 by 2. This is minus L2 plus L. Okay. And here we have f of x is equal to 1 plus 4x by 3. This is when in the first interval. Let me take this as some psi x or pi x. And similarly, f of x is equal to 1 minus 4x by 3. I'll take this as a pi x. Okay. Now here, if I consider this equation, f of x is equal to 1 minus 4x by 3, which is equal to pi of x. So if I write here, if I replace x by minus x, f of minus x is equal to 1. Replacing x by minus x, this becomes plus 4x by 3. This is equal to psi of x. This is nothing but psi of x is nothing but f of x. So what this implies, I am getting f of minus x equal to f of x. This implies f of x is even function. Okay, f of x is even function. And if f of x is even function, then we have Bn is equal to 0. And A0 is equal to 1 by L 0 to 2 by L 0 to L f of x into dx, and An is equal to 2 by L integration 0 to L f of x into cos n pi x by L dx. Okay, so we have to find out these two. Let me find out A0 first. So here A0 is equal to, I'll put L as it is here, afterwards I'll change this, 2 by L 0 to L. What is fx here? 0 to L, that is 0 to 3 by 2. Fx is 1 minus 4x by 3 dx. This is equal to 2 by L integration of 1 is x minus 4 by 3 into integration of x is x square by 2. This is between 0 and L. Okay. Now this is equal to 2 by L. First substitute the upper limit. Substituting the upper and the lower limit becomes 0, because this has first term is x consisting of x, second term also consisting of x. Therefore, if I put x equal to 0, both the terms become 0. Therefore, only upper limit as this is L minus 4 by 2. This becomes 2. That means 2 by 3. L square. L minus 2 by 3 L square. This is L minus 2 by 3 L square. This is equal to, taking this L inside, we get 1 by L inside, we get 2 into L by L is 1 minus 2 by 3 into L. Okay, 2 by 3 into L. And this is equal to, this is equal to 2 into 1 minus 2 by 3 into, now put the value of L here. L is 3 by 2. 3 by 2. 3 gets cancelled, 2 gets cancelled. This becomes 0. 1 minus 1 is 0. So that means this is equal to 0. Okay, we have got A0 value is equal to 0. Now we find AN. AN equal to, next we go to find AN value. AN equal to 2 by L 0 to L f of x into cos of n pi x by L dx. So this is equal to 2 by L 0 to L. F of x is 1 minus 4x by 3 into cos of n pi x by L dx. This is equal to, I will integrate this 2 by L into, taking this as the first function, this as the second function. So 1 minus 4x by 3 as it is. Integration of cos is sine, that is sine of n pi x by L divided by n pi by L. This divided by n pi by L. We have to write the coefficient of x in the denominator. Coefficient of x is n pi by L divided by n pi by L or into L by n pi into L by n pi. Okay. Minus, we have to write minus sign here, and then write the derivative of this. Derivative of this is the one derivative is 0 minus this derivative is minus 4 by 3. Derivative of this is minus 4 by 3. Minus 4 by 3 into integration of this. Okay, integration of this here. Integration of this is the sine integration is minus cos. Sine integration minus cos n pi x by L, n pi x by L cos n pi x by L cos of n pi x by L divided by coefficient of x, that is n pi by L. So already we have n pi by L in the denominator, we have n pi by L is here. Okay. One more n pi by L I am getting, that is the total I am getting here n square pi square by L square in the denominator, or we write this as L square by n square pi square. This is between 0 and L. Okay. That is equal to 2 by L into, first I will put the upper limit. Upper limit L. If I put upper limit L here, see here if I put x equal to L, L by L this is equal to 1. I am getting this bracket sine of n pi. And we know that sine of n pi value equal to 0. 0 into anything is 0. That is, first term is 0 in the upper limit. And here we have minus, 3 minus are there. So again we are getting minus sign here. And if I put x equal to L here, so this x, L gets cancelled. I am getting cos of n pi. Cos n pi value is minus 1 to the power of n. So this 4 by 3 is here. 4 by 3 minus 1 to the power of n into L square by n square pi square into L square by n square pi square. This is upper limit minus, coming to the lower limit, put x equal to 0. If I put x equal to 0, sign is here, sign of 0 becomes 0, whole thing becomes 0, first term is 0, minus 1 minus here, minus 4 by 3, and if I put x equal to 0 here, we get cos 0 value is equal to 1 into L square n by n square pi square into L square by n square pi square. Okay, just we simplify this. This is equal to 2 by L. First I will write this term. Okay, minus into minus plus 4 by 3 L square by n square pi square, next minus 4 by 3 minus 1 to the power of n L square by n square pi square. Okay, now this is equal to 2 by L, taking 4 by 3 common factor and taking L square by n square pi square common factor. What remains here? 1 remains, minus 1 to the power of n remains. Okay, minus 1 to the power of n remains. This is, here 1L gets cancelled. 2 into 4, 8 by 3 into, okay, L is 3 by 2, 2 into 4, 8 by 3 into L is 3 by 2 into 1 by n square pi square into 1 minus 1 to the power of n. 3 gets cancelled. This is equal to 4 by n square, 2 into 1, 2 into 4 gets cancelled, 4 by n square pi square into 1 minus 1 to the power of n. Okay, so this is our an. This is our an, and here we have bn equal to 0. Okay, bn equal to 0, and we got a0 is also equal to 0. Therefore, now we write the Fourier series. Okay, therefore Fourier series is f of x is equal to a0 is 0 plus summation n from 1 to infinity, an is 4 by n square pi square into 1 minus 1 to the power of n into cos of n pi x by L plus bn equal to 0. Okay, bn equal to 0. Now you put the value of L now. So this is equal to summation n from 1 to infinity 4 by n square pi square into 1 minus 1 to the power of n cos of L equal to 3 by 2. That is here 3 by 2. This becomes 2, goes in the numerator, 2n pi by 3 into x. Okay, so this is the Fourier series. And this, what is fx here? Fx is 1 minus 4x by 3. So this is the required Fourier series. Now, to get the deduction here, put x equal to 0 in this equation. We get left hand side is 1 equal to right hand side is summation n from 1 to infinity 4 by n square pi square 1 minus minus 1 to the power of n into we are putting x equal to 0. Therefore, cos of 2n pi by 3 into x, that is cos of 0. Cos of 0 is equal to 1. Now, substituting n equal to 1, 2, 3, 4 we get. If I put n equal to 1, this becomes minus 1 to the power of 1. Means this is minus 1. Minus into minus is plus 1. That is 1 plus 1 is 2. 2 into 4 is 8. 8 by n square. 1 square pi square plus. If I put n equal to 2, this becomes 1. Okay, this becomes 1. 1 minus 1, 0, then everything becomes 0. N equal to 2, this term becomes 0. Next, put n equal to 3. Then again we are getting this is equal to minus 1. 1 minus of minus 1 is plus 1. That is 1 plus 1 is 2. 2 into 4 is 8. 8 by 3 square pi square plus. Again, if I put n equal to 4 here, this becomes 1. 1 minus 1 becomes 0. Everything becomes 0. Next, we put n equal to 5. This becomes minus 1. If I put n equal to 5, this becomes minus 1. 1 minus of minus 1 plus 1. 1 plus 1 is 2. 2 into 4 is 8. 8 divided by n square. That is pi square plus and so on. This is our 1. So here if I multiply this by pi square by 8. If I multiply this equation throughout by pi square by 8. What we are getting left hand side is pi square by 8 is equal to right hand side pi square by 8 gets cancelled. With 8 by pi square we are getting 1 by 1 square plus second term also 8 by pi square gets cancelled. We are getting 1 by 3 square. Third term also 8 by pi square gets cancelled. We get 1 by pi square plus and so on. So this is the required deduction. Okay. Next I will go to another example. One more example. Find the Fourier series of f of x equal to e power of minus x in the interval 0 less than x less than 2. Okay, so here fx is defined in 0 to, that is this is 0 to L. That is here we have 2 times L is equal to 2. This implies L is equal to 1. So this is our A to A plus 2L where A equal to 0, right? So L equal to 1. Function is defined in A to A plus 2L. Then our formulas are, Euler's formulas are A naught equal to 1 over L into 1 over L into 0 to 2L f of x into dx. This is equal to L equal to 1. Okay, L equal to 1. Therefore, A naught is equal to 1 by 1 is 1, 0 to 2 fx dx e power of minus x into dx. This is equal to integrating e power of minus x integration is e power of minus x divided by minus 1. This is between 0 and 2. This is equal to, substituting the upper limit here, 2 x equal to 2, first term becomes minus e power of minus 2 minus. Put x equal to 0. E raised to 0 is 1. 1 by minus 1. That is a minus of minus plus 1. This is equal to 1 minus e power of minus 2. So this is our A naught. Next we find out An is equal to, according to my definition, Euler's formula is 1 by L into integration 0 to 2L f of x into cos n pi x by L dx. Okay, and this is equal to L equal to 1. So this is 1 into 0 to 2. 0 to 2. F of x is e power of minus x into cos of n pi x. L equal to 1 into dx. Now, to find the integration of this, we have integration of e power of ax into cos of bx plus c. This is equal to e power of ax divided by a square plus b square into a cos bx plus b sin bx. We have this is the formula to find the integration of e raised to ax into cos of bx plus c. Therefore, e power of minus x into cos of e power of minus x into cos of n pi x. Okay, n pi x dx. This is equal to, here we have a equal to minus 1 and b equal to n pi. Okay, c equal to 0. A equal to minus 1, b equal to n pi, c equal to 0. So therefore its integration is e power of ax, means e power of minus ax divided by a square plus b square. A square minus 1 square is 1 plus b square is n pi square, that is n square pi square into a cos bx. A cos bx, a is minus 1 cos n pi x plus b sin bx. B is n pi sin of bx, that is n pi. Okay, so that is here an is equal to 1 by L. 1 by L, L equal to 1 here. This is our 0 to 2L, 0 to 2. Integrating this, we get this is from 0 to 2. Substituting the limits here. So first I will put the upper limit. For upper limit, I have to put x equal to 2. Therefore, this becomes e power of minus 2 divided by 1 plus n square pi square into bracket. If I put x is equal to 2 here, x equal to 2, then this becomes 2n pi. Okay, x is 2n pi, and you know that cos n pi value is minus 1 to the power of n. Therefore, cos 2n pi value is minus 1 to the power 2n. So this is our minus 1 to the power of 2n, and if I put n equal to 2 here, n pi x, okay, this is x now, this is our x. If I put x equal to 2 here, then I am getting sine of 2n pi. Okay, sine of 2n pi is equal to 0. So that is here, second term is 0 minus. Coming to the lower limit, put x equal to 0. E power of 0 becomes 1. So this is 1 by 1 plus n square pi square into. So if you put x equal to 0 here, this is cos of 0. Cos of 0 is 1. That is minus 1. Minus 1 plus. If you put x equal to 0 is 0, sin 0 is equal to 0. This is equal to 0. Okay. So this is equal to. So here I will take 1 by 1 plus n square pi square common factor. So that is 1 by 1 plus n square pi square common factor. What remains here in the first term? In the first term I am getting this minus 1 to the power of 2n is equal to plus 1. Okay, that means that this is minus 1. That is minus e raised to minus 2. Minus e power of minus 2. And here minus into minus plus 1. This is, I have taken this as a common factor here. Plus 1. Okay, so this is equal to 1 by 1 plus n square pi square into 1 minus e to the power minus 2. So this is the value of an. Similarly, we find the value of bn. Okay, so what is bn here? bn is equal to 1 by L equal to 1 into 0 to 2L, 0 to 2. Fx is e raised to minus x into sine of n pi x by L equal to 1 into dx. And here we have integration of e raised to ax into sine of bx plus c. This is equal to e power of ax divided by a square plus b square into a sine bx plus c plus cos of bx plus c. So I am not writing c here. Bx plus c. Or bx we write. Just if I write bx, I will write bx. This is, here this is minus. Okay. This is minus. This is the integration of e raised to x into sine of bx. So therefore, bn is equal to, using this formula, we write this as, here we have a equal to minus 1 and b equal to n pi. A equal to minus 1, b equal to n pi. E power of ax, e power of minus x divided by a square plus b square. A is minus 1. Minus 1 square is 1 plus b square is n square pi square into, in the bracket, a sine bx. A is minus 1 sine of bx. That is n pi x. Okay. Minus b cos. This is b. b cos. B is n pi cos of bx, n pi x. Okay, this is between 0 and 2. This is between 0 and 2. Now substituting the upper limit, x is equal to 2, we get e power of minus 2 divided by 1 plus n square pi square into, if you put x equal to 2, this becomes 2n pi. Sine of 2n pi value is 0 minus n pi into cos of n x equal to 2n pi, means this is minus 1 to the power of 2n. Minus 1 to the power of 2n is equal to plus 1. Okay, this is just minus n pi. This is upper limit, minus. Coming to the lower limit, if I put x equal to 0, we get e power of 0, e is equal to 1 by 1 plus n square pi square, okay. Coming over here in this bracket, put x equal to 0, this becomes 0, okay. That is, this is 0 minus. Put x equal to 0, cos 0 is 1, that is n pi, okay. So this is equal to, I will take, this is one term, this is another term here. In the numerator we have n pi common factor, and in the denominator I have 1 plus n square pi square common factor. What remains in the first term? In the first term, we are getting minus e power of minus 2, and the second term we are getting minus into minus plus 1, that is plus 1. This is equal to n pi by 1 plus n square pi square into 1 minus e power of minus 2. So this is the value of Bn. So we got the value of A0, we got the value of An, and we got the value of Bn also. So then finally we write, therefore Fourier series, Fourier series is f of x is equal to a naught by 2 plus summation n from 1 to infinity n into cos of n pi x by L equal to 1 here, okay, plus summation n from 1 to infinity Bn into sine of n pi x by L equal to 1. So this is the required Fourier series. Okay, thank you. I'll stop here.